In this podcast, we're going to talk about how to stay cool, calm, and collective during your trading, which, trust me, is easier said than done. But once you jumpstart a certain cycle of success, it gets easier and easier and easier as one thing builds into the other. Trust me. Follow me on social media, guys, at Akil Stokes RTM, especially on TikTok. I'm new on there, but been doing a lot of quick tip videos talking about trading, talking about business, entrepreneurship, mindset, success, productivity, anything you can think of that's going to get you on the right path to achieve your goals in life. That's TikTok at Akil Stokes RTM. How have you always been able to maintain a carefree state of mind over the years? How have you always ensured that losses and missing trades don't affect your performance? How have you managed to stay calm and trade over the years? I trust my plan and I trust myself. And it wasn't always like this over the years. I went through all the stages that you guys go through as a newer trader. You guys remember I'm 16 years in now. I would say the first 2 years were horrible. Probably the first 4 years. It took me about the first 4 years before I really caught my stride. I would say I really didn't catch my stride as a trader, and strides are different, but probably 2010-11 is when I first felt fully confident in what I was doing. And then I kind of had that confidence knocked back with a bad money management experience. So I went back to being very unconfident, but then I got confident again. But yeah, I trust my plan and I trust myself. So it's based like this. I've done the work. And I know what I'm trading is profitable as long as I don't mess it up. And the thing that I like about that is that it's all on me. And the thing I like about trading, the thing I like about entrepreneurship in general, this is why I want to become an entrepreneur, is because, as an athlete, right? As an athlete, I want the ball, right? If we got 1 second left in the fourth quarter, give me the ball. I want to take the shot because I am okay winning or losing if I can control the outcome. What I don't like is I don't like other people controlling the outcome, which is kind of weird because trading, we have no control over what we're doing from the short-term perspective, right? I have no control over this euro-yen trade. I have no control whether it wins. I have no control whether it loses. But what I do have control over is my long-term edge. And knowing that I'm trading something with a long-term edge, knowing I am essentially the casino that if I consistently execute my plan over time, I will make money. And I hate saying definites like that, but it's almost as definite as they come, right? When you have a tested and proven edge. Knowing that I will make money as long as I don't shoot myself in the foot. That just gives me one job. Don't shoot myself in the foot. Now, I'm not saying that job is easy. But over the years, as you start to see the confidence, or as you start to see the results, you gain more confidence, right? You guys ever heard of the belief, action, results cycle? It's this cool little cycle called belief, action, results. It's like a triangle. You can make it a weird type of circle. But so if you don't believe in yourself, you're not going to be confident in your actions. So you're not going to take consistent actions. If you don't take consistent actions, you're not going to have consistent results. When you don't have consistent results, you don't really gain more belief because your results are all over the place and you lose confidence and it continues in a downward spiral that way, right? The more confidence you lose, the less quality actions you take, the less quality actions you take, the less quality results you get, the less quality results you get, the even more confidence you lose. What we want to do is we want to shift that cycle the other way around, where once you have 100%, and it all works together. There's no starting point, unfortunately. Once you have 100% belief in yourself, you then feel confident in taking all of the right actions. And in trading, the right actions are following your trading plan, doing your analysis, sticking to your routine, trusting yourself, right? Not, doing dumb stuff like that. Once you, and it's funny, when you take the right actions, all of a sudden, poof, magically, you start to see the right results. And then when you start seeing the right results, aka you start making money, you start gaining a little bit more confidence in what you're doing. You're like, damn, this works. So you believe in yourself a little bit more. Now you start feeling yourself like, man, I can do this. I can be a good trader. It's not just for that Harvard Ivy League graduate. I can do this too. And then when you have more belief in yourself, you take even more of the right actions. And as you take more of the right actions, and that would be limiting mistakes, right? Because you're taking the right actions, but as newer traders, we're still going to make mistakes. But as you get more belief, you avoid more of these mistakes, no more fear of missing out, no more early entry, all that fun stuff. And then you get even better results because now you're even closer to executing your edge at 100% efficiency. And then when you get better results, you're like, man, wait a minute, I eliminated even more mistakes and I made even more money. And now you're on kind of this autopilot. And what you've done is you've shifted the cycle in your favor, where now you're extremely confident. You're not overconfident, but if you're extremely confident in your plan, you're like, man, this works. I've got all the numbers. I've got the real life experience. This works. So you don't doubt anything. You believe in yourself, where it's like, I know is if I just don't F up, I'm going to get the results I want. And now you're just taking all of the right actions. And when you take right actions, you get the right results. It's executing our edge, right? It's as simple as that, but not as simple as that because it's not simple by any means, right? I think all you guys would agree, right? It's simple, right? Just do it. But actually doing it is, Again, it's like, going back to my thing. I want the ball in my hand with 1 second left on the clock so I can make the shot and win the game, right? Easy. Put the ball in the basket. Final second of the game, fans cheering, fans yelling, teammates looking at you, all the pressures on your shoulders. In reality, a little bit harder to do than just shoot it. But when you're Michael Jordan and you've done it a million times, that pressure starts to release. All of a sudden, Michael Jordan, instead of looking at this shot like saying, oh my gosh, everyone's going to judge me, blah, 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 he's thinking, man, I've done this 100 times already. Tuck that elbow in, follow through, don't block the ball, splash. Boom. Same thing in trading. Do my analysis, identify, predict, decide, execute, splash. Boom. Sometimes we make it, sometimes we miss it. More times than not, we keep taking that shot, it's going to go. In case you forgot, I'm also on YouTube every week. Just YouTube search Akil Stokes 3 times a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm on there for the Trade of the Day live stream. That's 7:30 a.m. New York time, where you get to sit inside the live room and analyze my top trading opportunity each and every day. Also, I have the Weekend Trading Edge video, which is an outlook video where I show you the best trading opportunities on my radar for the week ahead, of course, with a great trading lesson to go along with it. That's YouTube. Search Akil Stokes or youtube.com/Akil Stokes. Subscribe, hit that bell.